Hi, this is Jamie from Powered Social Media. We're going to talk about business goals and tactics and some strategy in here today. In today's lesson in social media marketing. All right, so goals and tactics. So you can start to build this out for your own business using some of our guides that we have. So what is strategy? Strategy is, this is for Empowered Social Media. It could be any business. Increase the number of people entering and flowing through our funnel by optimizing content for reach, engagement, and conversions using the golden rule, best practices, timing, and selling strategies. This is your overarching goal that you're looking at. So strategies, big goal, and boom, we're going to get into tactics of it. Small goals. So look at awareness, consideration, or engagement and conversion. These are different funnels, color-coded funnels. This is the very top of your funnel, right? Top of the funnel coming down. This is awareness. So what are some goals that you could have? All right, it could be increase my reach / impressions by 10%. So the new number is 120 total reach / impressions per week, or increase my reach percentage on Facebook by 2% over the next month, making it 23% total weekly reach percentage. Or I can increase my followers on Instagram by 5%, 825 total followers. So these are some different awareness goals that we can put together. So Facebook, I'm going to choose one. Increase reach by 10% over the next month. That's my awareness goal that I have. All right, let's look at tactics for it. Increase number of weekly posts. How many? So maybe I have 2 weekly posts I'm putting out right now. I'm going to increase it by 2. So I'm going to have 4 weekly posts. That could be a tactic. Or optimize post timing. So now that you've taken the course, you know exactly when you're supposed to post content, on which platform. Do it. Implement it. For all of your posts, half your posts, as many as you can. If you're able to have scheduler tools like Creator Studio, then you have no problem with Instagram and Facebook and IGTV, Facebook stories. But when it comes to something like LinkedIn, you have to get a third-party scheduling tool to be able to do that. So maybe you can't optimize your content for all your platforms, but what's the best you can do? You put it in there. So tag blank number of businesses and people each week. So when you tag people in content, you mention them in your content, then it potentially reaches their audience. So just don't do like a spammy one where you like tag 50 people in there so it can reach those people. No, you tag people that it makes sense for. So maybe you have a picture of your team, so you're tagging everybody in your team, or you're highlighting it in the local business. So you're tagging that local business in it. Or tagging collaboration that you have with someone else. You're tagging those people in there. So another tactic could be add location to all posts. So location helps spread you out to people who may not follow you, but follow specific locations. Share blank number of posts on my personal page. So, you're not going to share once a day on your personal page because then it becomes spammy. Unless you're having some personal touch into it, right? If I post something on my business page and I just share it over to my personal page, it's going to look like I'm trying to sell on it. But if there's a milestone on my business page and I have a unique look into it of how it affects me as a person, then great. I can share that milestone from my business page to my personal page, and I'm not eroding my personal page by doing that. So how many times a week am I sharing that to my personal page, or a month? Or comment on blank number of posts per week. So this could be other people's posts. This isn't your post. This is other people's posts. So for Empowered Social Media, I'm looking at other potential businesses that I would love to use their social media services in the future. So I may choose some local restaurants that I'm commenting on their content and be like, oh my God, that's a delicious sandwich. Or, oh my God, I want that smoothie so bad. Or yes, I use Shelburne Falls Coffee Roasters coffee. It's the best, because it's true. So I'm commenting on blank number of posts per week to spread out to get to other potential people to see my content as my business page. I'm creating blank number of giveaways per month, or I'm creating blank number of videos a week. So if I haven't used video content before, it's a much more engaging way on Facebook to be able to get across your content or your message dynamically. So if you don't have video content, then by increasing your video content, you could be increasing your awareness. So I'm choosing, I will create 1 to 2 videos per week on my channel. I will add location details to all my posts. It'll optimize my post timings. Those are my tactics that I'm choosing to hit my 10% goal over the next month and reach. All right, next consideration, engagement. So increase total engagements on Facebook by 5%, 35 total weekly engagements. That's a goal. Or increase my Twitter retweets by 10%, or increase my YouTube channel video likes by 10%. Increase my saves by 50% on Instagram, increase my click-through rate on YouTube by 2% over the next month. These are goals. It could be a wide open goal, like over the next month. So it's not like I'm breaking it down per week. Essentially I could say, all right, I'm increasing by over the next month. So then I could say, all right, I need to do 1.25% per week or 2.5% every other week. So I could break that down weekly if I wanted to. So you can figure out if you're breaking it into a weekly goal or you're breaking it into a monthly goal. So I'm choosing increase total engagements on Facebook by 5% over the next month, 35 total weekly engagements. That's the goal I've chosen for Facebook. So tactics, I can use the golden rule with this percentage of my content. So that's that educate, entertain, inspire, community model when you're creating content. So if you use that for all of your content, then boom, you're going to be increasing your engagement. Post blank number of comment type posts per month. So that's just asking a question. It's literally typing a question out. No image. You can use one of Facebook's backgrounds where you can select and then add a color to it. So then it opens up, it has some variation in the newsfeed by doing that. And then you can ask questions. And so you're eliciting comments in there. So that's a comment type post. So I'm doing once per month or 4 times per month. That'd be once per week. Post percentage of poll type posts per month. So I want to create some polls again to grab some more engagement, whether that's on Instagram or Facebook, how many I'm posting a month, or use Instagram stories engagement tools X times per week. Spread out responses over X number of days. One thing we talked about in the past is that if you get comments on something, you don't want to respond to all comments at once. You want to spread it out over time because that sends positive signals to the algorithm, whether it's Facebook or Instagram or any channel, that your content has longevity, that it's engaging over time. All right, cross-promote number of businesses per month. So highlight other local businesses that resonate with you, that you really love their mission. Create blank number of giveaways a quarter. Use end screen elements in every YouTube video. Organize video content in a playlist on Facebook and YouTube. Shorten my video content to 1 minute and 15 seconds each video. Maybe my content is too long on YouTube or Facebook. People aren't resonating because it's too long. So I'm shortening my content to improve my engagement. So I've chosen use the golden rule with all my content, highlight 1 local business per week, create 1 question-based post per month, respond to all comments. That's my consideration goal, tactics to reach my goal. All right, conversion goals. Increase website clicks by 5%. Increase attendees at my next 3 events by 10%. Increase Twitter followers by 5%. Increase subscribers on YouTube by 4 over the next month. Increase my email list by 20 people over the next month. Different conversion goals. And as you see, this isn't a specific social media one, but I can try to leverage that social media network to increase my subscribers to email. All right, increase Facebook event attendees at my next 3 events by 10%. 23 average attendees to 25 average attendees per event. That's my conversion goal. So let's look at tactics. Use blank number of posts per week for soft selling. Soft selling is to create an initial action with your business. This is presented before in one of our other lectures, lessons. Hard selling is a sale. So soft selling could be send me a message. Soft selling could be send me an email. Soft selling could be get my freebie, contact us. Hard selling is purchase a product. All right. Use Instagram story conversion tools X times per week. Add messenger button to blank number of posts per week. Refresh link in bio monthly. So that means your link in bio for your Instagram account, maybe you refresh it monthly and create different conversion cycles monthly based on it. So you're trying to increase the opportunity for people to click into your link. Or maybe you're changing that link 4 times per week because you're having call to actions that say link in bio in your content of your post. And you have to switch out the content, the link in your bio for all these different posts to create these different conversion opportunities. Create blank percentage of freebies, lead magnets per quarter. Create blank number of giveaways per quarter. Use link in YouTube descriptions in every post. Add the cards featured to my YouTube channel. Different tactics for social media. Conversions. So for Facebook, we've chosen 1 soft selling post on Facebook events per week. Post inside the Facebook event twice a week. And direct message anyone who is interested to get them to the going. Check mark on the event itself. So these are the goals. Again, when we looked over, we had the funnel that we're looking at, the top awareness. So we want to create more awareness, people seeing us. We want to increase our reach. We have consideration. We want to, engagement. We want to increase our engagement with people. That's a second level, right? You have this many people who know about your business, but haven't engaged with your content. And then we funnel down. You have this many people who know your business and engage with your content. Then we funnel down, even less number of people who know your business, engage with your business, and then purchase from you, whether it's a soft conversion or a hard conversion that you're doing with your business. Like as you work your way down, there's less and less people. So these are ways to create goals for your social media platforms and the tactics around them. You know, we'll look at, this is the sheet, the overall one, and we can even take examples from here if we're looking at YouTube, where the consideration or engagement goals, average percentage of view, video view, average video view duration, likes on your videos, comments on your videos. Then we have conversion, subscribers or clicks on elements, or brand awareness, impressions. So we have some of these too, kind of like a little cheat to be like, all right, I got to create this. What I'm going to use? All right, LinkedIn clicks, event attendees. Those are 2 great conversion ones. What I want to pick? All right, I'm going to pick clicks, or I'm going to pick event attendees out of it. So this is a great cheat sheet for you to look at that content. All right, that's our lesson for today. Thank you for joining, learning about goals, strategy, and tactics. Use it, implement it, have a better strategy today. Bye.